All right, we've got 5 vehicles going to Scottsdale, Barrett-Jackson, and they're shipping out in the morning. We're going to do a quick little rundown on each of them. This 92 Typhoon is a turbocharged 4.3 liter V6 motor, one owner vehicle. We got it from the local owner that contacted us when he was going through some changes. We actually did a complete paint on this car. So we removed all the spoilers, sanded down all the paint, took care of any imperfections in the body panels, and then obviously super nice Secker base clear paint, the correct satin finish on the ground effects, new decals, refinished the wheels, brand new tires. The interior was near immaculate already. Had the radio serviced, 70,000 original miles on it, clean Carfax. Everything's working like it's supposed to. This thing runs and drives out, super nice. This one goes through on Sunday afternoon at lot number 1552. Goes on Sunday afternoon prime time on this one. A really nice piece to get. These ones are only going up in value and they're getting harder and harder to find that are in really good shape. Just a really nice vehicle. Like I said, we redid everything as needed on this vehicle, took it through a mild restoration here at the Restore Muscle Car. So this 89 IROC we have it going through is a 5.7 liter. That's a 350 V8 motor, T-tops, automatic. Got all new paint that we did here at Restore Muscle Car. So it's all Secker paint, base clear paint, completely refinished from top to bottom. The interior is pretty much all original red interior. It's a one owner vehicle. Was very well cared for, just had tired paint on it when it came in, but it had great options. This car also has the rare Bose sound system and the upgraded axle ratio in this car. So it runs out super nice, super fun car to just get in and drive and looks great going down the road. It's not very often that I've ran across the black with red interior combo on a T-top car. But this goes through on Thursday. It's got 40,000 original miles and the car's lot number 689 on Thursday afternoon prime time. This is a 2016 Z06 with 24,000 original miles. It's got the manual 7-speed in it, so 3 pedals on the floor, guys. This is a tough car to find with this color combo with the jet black outside and the red and black interior. Super sharp car. We basically did a full wet sand polish. It has full front clip PPF on this car. The ground effects are all in perfect condition. Wheels have all been completely ceramic, and it does have full tinted windows. It's ready to go. Serviced, brakes, fluids, everything's been done. AC blows cold. I drove this car a little bit last summer on nice days. One of my favorite color combos for a C7 Corvette, and especially in a Z06. 2LZ package. Does have the heated and cooled seats. Thursday afternoon, prime time, lot number 743.1. No reserve auction on all 3 of these and the other 2 Blazers that we're going to be featuring here next for you guys. So we have a 1972 K5 Blazer going through the auction. This is a good friend of mine's Blazer that's all restored. It's original sheet metal. Everything's been rebuilt, driveline. It's got upgraded vintage air conditioning system. It's got the Highlander interior, the feathers decal kit that was a factory option in 72 for these Blazers. This is a Thursday lot number 772.1. So all new paint, decals, wheels, tires, suspension, everything's been gone through on this truck. Super nice. Also, it's got upgraded 4-wheel disc brakes on it as well. Check out all the details, all the pictures and stuff online. Barrett-Jackson this next week, Thursday lot number 772.1. So we're also featuring a 1974 Blazer that was a no expense spared Pro Touring Blazer. That's basically, it's got LT1 motor, 10-speed overdrive tranny, nut and bolt, frame off restoration. This thing has a whole bunch of custom stuff that's been done to it. It's a primetime vehicle, sold Saturday late afternoon. It's lot number 1444.1 on Saturday afternoon at Barrett-Jackson. You don't want to miss out on this one. It's the square body, full removable tops on these K5 Blazers are really hard to find, and there has not been very many Pro Touring builds out there, and especially going through Barrett-Jackson. The early first gen Blazers. There's been quite a few of those and some very nice builds. As we step into the square body configuration on these vehicles in the late 70s, the fully removable top was only available a couple of years in a square, and this is one of them, a 74. Fully removable factory top, been completely reconditioned inside and out. This vehicle is named 1974 Big Sky Bonanza. It's got the Big Sky trim package, 5th gen LT1, 6.2 liter V8, 10-speed automatic transmission, 4x4 manual locking hubs, 4-wheel disc brakes, 17-inch custom truck rally alloy wheels, BF Goodrich radial TAs, vintage air conditioning, tilt column, Dakota digital gauges, the rear seat, custom audio sound system. Ronnie from C10 Talk, it's his vehicle that was built with no expense spared. And of course, it's going to run and drive out amazing. So you don't want to miss out on this one going through Saturday afternoon, lot number 1444.1.